If you or a member of your group is injured on the mountain, first remain calm and assess the situation. Before you address the casualty, ensure that the rest of the group is safe. Remember the ABCs of immediate first aid. Check that their airways are unrestricted, that they are breathing, and that their heart is beating. If there are signs of bleeding, try to stem the flow of blood. When assessing whether the casualty should be moved, ask yourself if their injuries will be made worse by moving them. Are you better off staying where you are and waiting for help to arrive? If you assess that the casualty can be moved, then determine your exact position on a map and carefully descend to safety. If the casualty cannot be moved, then call the emergency services and provide details of your exact location and the nature of the injury and condition of the casualty. Keep them warm and alert. Provide shelter if possible and wait for help to arrive.